Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Knife Central here, and today I'm going to be reviewing my World War II Swiss Army knife. So, as you guys can see, it does come with a keychain ring, which is interesting. And it also comes with, if I can get them out on the little, sidewall compartments, is a pretty basic pair of tweezers. They work okay as far as tweezers go. Then on the other side is a bloody toothpick from my grandpa. Which is kind of nasty, but whatever. So it also on the this area of it, the main bulk of it, is going to be the basic knife. It is a little rusty, but works okay. And out of that is going to be, a saw, a wood saw, which is, also again basic. And adding to the wood saw, if I can get it, is going to be another wood saw, but this is more fine detail in getting into the small corners of the wood. Another thing is going to be the scissors. The scissors, they work okay. I mean, you really can't cut that much. I only think they're used for maybe cutting a little bit of thread or something, Can't really take on that much. Right here is a can opener. And the last thing in this compartment is a bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver. Onto the other side is a Phillips head screwdriver, Then then there is a knife, an emergency knife. Then going with that is going to be it's going to be a file for your nails. Then this is called a reamer, and it also has a sewing eye, as you guys can see. And the last thing is a corkscrew for, emptying, for getting the corks out of wine bottles, which is cool. So my overall opinion of this is that, Swiss Army knives are pretty useful. The only thing, I don't really like about them is that they're bulky. But then again, they have to be bulky for them to get all the tools you want in them. So overall, I would give this knife an 8.5 out of 10. It has a lot of nice features, but it is kind of bulky. So that was my review on my World War II Swiss Army knife. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.